Guys, you've got to listen to this. I was only running it on 155 volts, and this is a 240 volt motor. This is. So I'm going to start it up as at 240 volts at 50 hertz, and just let you listen to it when I change the frequency. It sounds fucking awesome. Sorry for me swearing, but it really does. That's the vibration of the box. Isn't it awesome? I just wanted to share that with you, because that just sends shivers down my spine. Cheers, guys. Oh yeah, this is the amps it's showing you just there. Thanks for watching, guys.